Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you recognize this shirt, it's because you watched the video before this one, in which I told you my monthly favorites for the month of March. Now I'm going to go over what I got from Ulta from their 21 Days of Beauty sale and just some other things afterward. And I also have a Womp Womp Makeup Geek haul, which is, it's pretty small, but I wanted to go over what I got in case you can still find any of the stuff anywhere because I really love what I got. So we're just going to, let's start with Makeup Geek. I got 2 blushes and a bronzer. So this is the bronzer that I got. I wanted one for when I have more of a tan on. And then these are the 2 blushes. They're both matte. These are a little bit worn off swatches, but this is the deeper blush and this is the bronzer. These are other things that I talked about in my favorites video, but these are fantastic blushes. A little bit goes a long way. Got the shade Summer Fling, that's the peachy one. This one is Chivalry. It's a really toasty blush. Looks awesome with a tan. And then this is the bronzer in the shade Burnished. It's really pretty. It looks way too dark in the pan, but once it's on the skin, it blends out so nicely. And then I also got the Makeup Geek Skin Brilliance Facial Elixir. So you can use this as a highlight, as skincare, or as a makeup primer, and I've enjoyed using it as a makeup primer. It just gives a nice dewy look to the skin. So that's what I got from Makeup Geek. If I can find any of this stuff anywhere, I will link it for you. Also, I apologize for the nasaliness. I have another head cold, so just it is what it is. So the next thing, we'll go ahead and start with Ulta. I got the IT Cosmetics CC Plus Illumination in the shade Medium. I wanted a deeper shade, but I waited too long. So I have the original formula and I've had this in the past and I really enjoyed it. So I wanted to get that while they had it on sale. So I wanted this because it was cute, not because I needed a makeup bag. This is just a cute, clear makeup bag. It's got different colored neon palm trees all over it. It's from the brand Petite and Pretty. And it has a zipper on the top. You just open it up. It's a pretty good size makeup bag. So I'm excited to use that when we go away for the honeymoon. Alright, next thing, I've already used one of these. These are the pillow scrunchies from the brand Kitsch. I've used the black one, and then there's also the champagne colored one in here. They're really nice. They stay in my hair really good when I'm sleeping. They're big. They're obnoxious, but I really like them, and they really fill out my bun. Jaclyn Hill spoke about these like a few times and I finally got them. They're super soft. They were a little bit pricey. I think they're like $18 for the 2 scrunchies, but and next thing in the box, got some lotion. I really like the Aveeno lotion for my whole body. It doesn't irritate my skin after I shave or anything like that. So this is the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion, fragrance free with soothing oat and rich emollients. Really like this one. I'm almost out of one back there, so this is just like a repurchase. These are both repurchases. The Soap and Glory Heal Genius Hydrating Foot Cream. I love this stuff. I'm almost out of my last tube, and so they had like buy one get one half off or buy one get one 40% off, so I went ahead and got 2 of those. I might have picked this up at Walmart the other day. I know I didn't get this in my Ulta haul, but I'll go ahead and include it here. It's the Wet n Wild Breakup Proof Liquid Liner Pen. Emily Noel spoke about this in her birth video, I think, and she said it stayed on through childbirth and like tears and crying and all that stuff. So not that I'm like dealing with all of that or tears and crying, but if it's that good, and I love me a wing, so I really want to try it. Plus I think it was like $5, so I'm always looking to try a new liquid liner. This is a repurchase. I've gone through I think 3 of these. Like I have 2. I've got one in my purse and one in here for lips, and I had one in here for eyeliner, but after a while they pop open so you can clean them and stuff. After a while the clasp just kind of wears out, so this is just a replacement for that. I've already opened one of these. They had buy one get one 40% off for the B-Tan brand. I've tried a different shade of this before and I wanted to try this one, Their names are a little bit ridiculous, like Too Dan to Give a Damn. Too Tan to Give a Damn. I really like this. I have 2 layers of this on, but it's almost a week old now, so it doesn't stay on my face very long, like doing all my skincare and stuff like that. But anyway, I really like this. It does tend to dry out my skin a little bit more than some of the other brands that I've tried, so I just make sure I really moisturize when I use this stuff. Plus, it's super affordable. I also got 2 of their Gradual Tan Face Mist. I've used the Ulta brand before, but since they were having this on sale, I went ahead and got the B-Tan brand, which I have not tried before. It's the You Glow Girl Gradual Glow Tanning Mist. I love these. I just spray it all over my face and let it dry, and then I'll go in with like my skincare or whatever. I use it morning and or evening depending on when I'm getting ready or whatever. These are the Kiss Lash Couture Masterpiece Cruise Lashes. Got 2 of these. They looked super pretty. I had a pair that I was wearing before the pair that I've been using lately, and I intended to wear those for the wedding, and I was like, I'll just go back and look at my Ulta orders and figure it out. I couldn't figure it. None of them wore those lashes, so I don't know how long ago I got them and how long they were sitting in my drawer before I finally used them. But anyway, those are gone. So I'm gonna try these, and then I also got these Eylure Luxe XL Faux Mink in Splendor. I know I've purchased these before, and they might have been these, but I'm not for certain. So we got these. I really like a fluffy lash, if you can't tell. This is a repurchase. I've gone through several of these. This is the best, for me, waterline pencil. It's just, you have to sharpen it yourself. Don't get the one that you have to twist up. It's not the same. This is the Essence Extreme Lasting Eye Pencil. It's waterproof. It's in the shade Black Love. I love it. It does not transfer on me. It doesn't like seep anywhere like in my tear ducts or anything. Love it. I have a brown, a gray, a nude, like a creamy shade. I can't remember if they have any more than that or not. They might also have a champagne-y color. And then I got 3 more of the Jaclyn Outspoken Liquid Lips. I already have the shade Oh Hi, and I got the shade Empowered, Easy Peasy, and you guys. I wanted Mama and a couple of the other ones, and they were already sold out. But I ended up getting these for $10. The regular are $20. Empowered is a really good light nude shade to go, like, to put in the center of your lips to make them look a little bit more full. And then I haven't even taken these out yet. It's a really pretty, like, magenta and then a plum. I have used the Empowered shade. The Oh Hi one is a little bit more pinky tone, and this Empowered one is a little more warm. So I just thought that was a super pretty deep rose color. It's a little bit more of a deep purple. And then this is the Empowered shade. Super pretty. The Oh Hi one that I've had for quite a while is in my purse. Sometimes I wear more pink lip, and sometimes I wear more warm toned tan lip. So there's those. These next 2 are also repurchases, and then I have just one more thing that I wanted to try in here. These are the NYX Lift and Snatch brow markers. I'm almost done with the one I have in my drawer right now, so they had these buy 2 get 1 free, so the next thing is what I got for free. I love these. I would get the shade Black, and this is what I use to do the hair like strokes in the front of my brow. And then the last thing is this NYX Shine Loud liquid lip in the shade On a Mission. I saw a ton of people talk about these. I know these are old news, but I hadn't got to try them yet, and I really wanted to, so I thought a glossy red lip would be probably my favorite thing that I would like to wear. I'm adding this in. This is my favorite brow pencil. This is from Morphe. This is their Twist Up Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Chocolate Mousse. I've gone through several of these. Favorite. Purchased, I think, a couple in this one, and I don't know where they went, but I forgot to talk about them, so there we go. So yeah, that is everything that I got from Ulta. There's one thing from Walmart, and then everything else, there's a couple things from Makeup Geek. So I hope my frizzy air drying hair didn't bother you too much, and I hope my nasaliness didn't bother you too much. If it did, you probably already clicked off the video. So, but if you're still here, I would love to know. Leave me a comment down below what is on your to-buy list, or if you're even buying anything. I don't buy stuff all the time, but since they were having a sale, we went in a little bit. So I will we'll talk to y'all later. I will talk to y'all later. And if you enjoyed the video, I would love it if you give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already. And until next time, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.